Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about major doubts regarding Cognizant onboarding process. Friends, if you find this video solved your queries, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First question, what document is needed till date of joining? You must be prepared with your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet and then your UG semester certificates. If you're done with your PG, be ready with your PG certificates. If you're done with only UG, you must have your 8th semester mark sheets and then your provisional certificates. In case you are a passed out of 2021 student, if you don't have provisional, at least you must have a course completion certificate. And you must have your PAN card and Aadhaar card. These are all the mandatory documents till date of joining. During your date of joining, for example, December 7 or December 8 is your date of joining means you must have your passport. Or else, if you have applied for the passport, you must have the slip in a soft copy. These are all the documents you must have. Okay, coming into next question, passport is mandatory. Yes, of course. In first question itself, I told that during your DOG, they will ask either you have to submit the proof that you have applied for the passport or you must have your passport. So in this case, passport is mandatory. Coming into next question, which location will be? 99% you will get the location what you have given as your first preferred location during your HR or TR interview. Here I would like to share you one thing. Most of the students are receiving a call from Cognizant asking that are you okay with this location? This call was not for all the candidates who are all selected or applied. So don't worry if you didn't get a call. If you are a candidate who is getting a call from Cognizant, don't fear to answer yes or no. Just boldly say whether you are okay with that location or not. Because most of the students who are asking that I said yes to the location but I am not really okay with that location. If you are not really okay with that location, just say no. It will not cause any problem to your date of joining or your employment. For majority of the students, they are getting their location as first preferred location which was given in an HR. Okay, coming to next, still no DOG after pre-formalities. When I will get my date of joining? If you are completed your pre-formalities but I didn't get a DOG means you have to wait. If you go to search any of the YouTube channels or in Google, this was the only answer you may get majority because they are hiring a bulk candidates and it will take some time. You must have to wait. The approximate duration after pre-formalities will be 10 to 20 days. You have to wait. That was the only answer. If you are going to search any YouTube channels, just see the comments. All the YouTubers will say that you have to wait for some days because that was the fact. We have to accept the fact. I know this was a crucial time. This was very important for your future, but we have to wait. That was the only answer. But within 10 to 20 days, definitely you will be getting your DOG. Once the BGV is showing completed and then pre-formalities will show in progress only because they will be sending self-declaration form. So keep on checking that pre-formalities. Click the pre-formalities and go inside and check whether they have given your issued your date of joining or not. I came across many questions that the candidates are asking after completing background verification whether they will send a mail for pre-formalities. Yes, they will send a mail for pre-formalities. If you have completed your BGV and waiting for pre-formalities means wait for 10 to 20 days. It will maximum take up to 20 days. Definitely you will get your mail. After pre-formalities, they will not send any mail regarding date of joining. After the completing of self-declaration only, you must be getting a mail that you have completed your pre-formalities and wait for the date of joining mail. Your date of joining and location will be mentioned in the self-declaration form itself at last. So you have to check that whether you have got a DOG or not in that pre-formalities only. Okay, moving on next question. Within how many days I can expect my date of joining? You can expect the date of joining within 1 to 2 months. It was a long process, so it will take some time. After completing your pre-formalities also, you will be getting your date of joining within that 2 months. Maximum it would not take after 20 days, but in some cases for some students I came to know that they will all getting date of joining within that 1.5 months. So wait for 1 to 2 months. Moving to next question. I raised a query in C2 portal but there was no reply still. For this you have to wait. It was not an immediate process to answer all your queries because there are a lot of candidates raising query in C2 portal. So you have to wait for the reply from the Cognizant side. And then I would like to share you that if you have submitted any wrong documents, for example, in the place of letter of authorization, if you have submitted any of your mark sheets and it was showing that it was completed process in background verification or pre-formalities, don't worry, raise a query in C2 portal until they reply or they will send a mail that you have to change this. Please wait, don't get any confusion. Friends, if you find this content is useful and you have to get any more updates from Cognizant, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with DK World. Coming to our final question, when we will receive our Cognizant welcome kit? You will be receiving your Cognizant welcome kit within 2 months. But till that, you have to work with your own laptop or own desktop. One more major question was whether it will be work from home or work from office. Cognizant still doesn't call any of their employees back to their office, so I think it will be work from home only. And the onboarding process was only virtual. For majority of chance, it will be work from home only, not from work from office. If you need more updates regarding Cognizant and how I cracked my TR and HR in Cognizant and my interview experience with Cognizant and how was my first day going to be in Cognizant.
Thanks for watching.